Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to unbox and review this Ingco Rotary hammer drill. It has 5 accessories free, and this 2 is for chiseling, and this 2 for the masonry drill bits, and it has auxiliary handle here and the depth gauge, and it has also a set carbon brass. Okay, it's a 800 watts and 220 240 volts, 50-60 hertz. It doesn't matter where you're in the 1660 cycle hertz or in the 50. Okay, so let's open up, guys. Okay, innovated by Ingco. Okay, okay, it seems the case is sturdy. Okay, here is it. The depth gauge, the 2 different chiseling, and 3 drill bits with different sizes: 10, 8, and 9. Okay, and this bit brass, carbon brass. Okay, and it has a manual, guys, so if you want to read, you can read it. Okay, here's the auxiliary handle, so you can change the whatever you want to use like this. Just loosen, and if you want to use like this, can. Okay, so just loosen and position to whatever you want. Okay, guys, this part here is the tool holder. Okay, for example, you want to use this 10 mm drill bit from masonry, just plug in there, and the dust protection cap, and this is the lock sleeve, guys. Okay, if you want to release this, just press down this one, and that's it. It's easy as that. Okay, this part here is the rotation switch. Okay, like that. Okay, the rotation will change. Okay, rotation switch, same here. Okay, if you press that one, automatically the opposite is in upper position. Okay, this one, guys, is the lock on button for on off switch. Okay, for example, you press this one, just press that one, and it is now in continuous mode. Okay, so if you want to release this lock on button for on off switch, just press this one and you're done. Okay, so this one is the on off switch. Okay, on off switch, this is the release button. Okay, release button, you cannot select here unless you press the select button. Okay, press, then selector. Okay, this one, guys, is the mode selector switch. Okay, mode selector switch, and this is the auxiliary handle, and this is the handle. Okay, and once again, this is the depth gauge. Okay, how to use this one, guys. Okay, just tighten this one. So this one here, just press it. Okay, press and install. For example, you want to embed this, guys, on the concrete, so just make a measurement on it. Just take the measurement and okay, let's take the measurement. Okay, the measurement, guys, is 4 centimeter. Okay, so measure 4 centimeter here. Okay, from here to here, 4 centimeter, and just adjust this, guys. Okay, to adjust that one, just press. Okay, that's it. And check 4 centimeter. Okay, and make sure, guys, to measure the right drill bit on it. Okay, so you can use this 8 mm drill bit for this. Okay, guys, this position here is for hammer. Okay, hammer. This one is for the impact drill. Okay, and this one is for the chiseling, while this one here, guys, is for the vertical lock position for adjustment of the chiseling position. The mode selector number 8 does not latch in this position. Okay, so let's try to embed this one. Okay, so I selected here because I'm gonna use the hammer. Okay, okay, look, that is the counterclockwise. If you want to change that one, guys, counterclockwise. Okay, this selector here, and let's see the rotation. Okay, that is the counter. So we're gonna use the clockwise version, and let's test. Okay, this is concrete. Look at it, stop. The gauge stop. Okay. Next, install it. And let's try to drill expansion shield on the wall, guys, using this hammer drill, and it goes easy. Okay, latch. If you want to use that one, guys, just press this lock here and rotate, and we are now in chiseling. Okay, okay, just press it. Okay, how to use this impact drill here. Okay, okay, since the free tools is for chiseling and for concrete drill bits. Okay, to do that, guys, if you want to use this for screw, you must have this chuck adapter here. Okay, and this chuck adapter is, it has a separate screwdriver. Okay, so just install that one and tighten. Okay, and since this is SS, just in the tool holder and press. Okay, that's it. So I have a screw here. I'm going to use this for impact. Okay, so okay, that's easy as that. Okay, if you want to remove that one, just press this to the counterclockwise, and we're going to remove that one. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, so no need to buy another impact wheel. And if you want also, guys, you can use also. Okay, if you want to work with wood, just buy. Okay, this is also, so let's try. Okay, I'm gonna try the smallest one. Okay, and let's try to make a hole on this Gibson board here. Okay, I'm only using light material, guys. This one we cannot use it directly to this tool holder. Okay, so we need again the chuck. Okay, this chuck here, we're going to change this to this also. Okay, that one. Okay, and secure it. Okay, then let's install it. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is counterclockwise, so we need to position that to clockwise position. Okay, that's it. And let's try it, guys, in this Gibson. Okay, that's it. So we can use this for wood. To move that, just press this and remove. Okay, and if you want to mix cement with sand, you can also buy that mixing adapter. Okay, guys, if you want to use metal drill bit, okay, just buy metal drill bit and use this chuck adapter, and you can insert here. Okay, I prefer to buy this Ingco hammer drill because of its toughness and its competitive price, and I bought only this for $99 and it has a discount. If you want to follow me, just press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Until then, thank you and God bless.